Hello guys, in this video we'll see how to download and install Python 3.13.6 on Windows 11 or 10 operating systems. Then we will run the sample Python Hello World example. Okay, so first go to Python official website, that is python.org. See here the latest release is 3.13.6. Click on it to download. See download started, go to downloads. See here its size is only 27.5 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Click on the CXE file. Then see here we have two options, install now or customize installation. See install now, it will take the defaults, and if you want specific location or like selecting features and all, you have to select this one. Okay, okay, select this, add python.exe to path and use admin privileges when installing py.exe. Then select customize installation. See here these are the optional features. If you don't want any one of them, you have to unselect it. So it is up to you. I want to install all, so click on next. See this is the installation location. If you want some other location, select browse and select the path. Okay, then see install Python 3.13 for all users, you have to select the checkbox, and optionally see if you want to download any one of these options, you have to select the checkboxes. Okay, then click on, if you are okay with all the settings, then click on install. It is simple and straightforward installation. See setup was successful, click on close. Now go to start, all applications, go to Python folder. See here we have Python 3.13. okay, select this Python idle. See here we have the Python idle and Python shell. So first select this Python shell. See here the version 3.13.6. Now we can run the sample hello world. Just you need to print. See you got the, okay, even we can create the sample Python script and execute. Okay, so first open Python idle, go to all applications, idle, then we can run the same in command shell or create new folder, open new file, then type the Python commands. Hello world, save the file. Wherever you want you can save. Python extension must be .py. See here these are the supported extensions, .py, .pyw, .pyi. Save it. Now go to run and now select the run the module. See we got the output. Okay, even we can run this in the command prompt. Open cmd, go to that particular directory. Let's verify that .py file is there or not. Dir star.py. See here I have the hello world.py. So execute it, Python hello world. .py. Sorry, it is typo. See you got the output. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install Python 3.13.6 on Windows operating systems. Then we have seen how to execute the sample Python program, that is hello world, on the shell and from the command prompt. Okay, for more Python tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.